Charlemagne, or Charles the Great, was one of history's most influential rulers. As king of the Franks, he united much of Western Europe and was crowned Holy Roman Emperor in 800. Known as the Father of Europe, he promoted education, cultural revival, and Christian reform, leaving a legacy that shaped European history for centuries. William the Conqueror was the Duke of Normandy who became King of England after his historic victory at the Battle of Hastings in 1066. He introduced feudalism, centralized royal authority, and commissioned the Domesday Book, a detailed record of England's landholdings. William's reign transformed the country and laid the foundation for modern England. Philip IV of France, known as the Fair, was a strategic and determined monarch. He strengthened the monarchy by centralizing power, clashed with the papacy over authority, and disbanded the Knights Templar. His political reforms and bold actions left a lasting impact on French and European history. Frederick Barbarossa, the Holy Roman Emperor, was a charismatic leader who sought to restore imperial power in Europe. He led campaigns to unify Germany and participated in the Third Crusade, aiming to reclaim the Holy Land. Tragically, he died during the campaign, but his legacy as a unifier and visionary lives on. Louis IX of France, later canonized as Saint Louis, was a deeply religious and just ruler. He led 2 crusades to the Holy Land and implemented significant judicial reforms to ensure fairness. Known for his piety and leadership, Louis IX remains one of France's most revered kings, both as a monarch and a saint. Ivan the Great, Grand Prince of Moscow, transformed Russia by uniting its lands and ending Mongol rule after the standoff on the Ugra River. He centralized authority, established Moscow as the heart of Russian power, and laid the foundations for a sovereign Russian state, earning his place as one of history's great rulers. Richard Hart the Lionheart, King of England, was a legendary crusader renowned for his courage and military prowess. He led the Third Crusade against Saladin, forging a truce that allowed Christian pilgrims to visit Jerusalem. Despite spending little time in England, Richard remains a symbol of chivalry and heroic leadership.